In the town of Rockville, which sits about 30 miles north of Terre Haute, a living history museum is now up for auction. But some people in the town are concerned about the future of the property. Longtime community staple Billy Creek Village is being sold to the highest bidder. There are more than 30 bridges from the Civil War era on the 70-acre property. It's frequented by school groups and tourists. When the property is sold next month, all the structures will be in the purchase price.
The fact that all the buildings there came from somewhere here in the county or very nearby, all the items that were donated to build that village and make it unique for Park County, show what our living was like and what it has been here in the area. So it's kind of emotionally sad.
Billy Creek Village Incorporated is a nonprofit organization. Charles Cooper bought the property 4 years ago and serves as the president of the board of directors. Cooper says the village has rich educational and historical value that he wants the next owner to maintain.
I hope to get it in the hands of some people that will continue with it as it was meant to be. However, when someone buys it, we never know what they will intend to do with it.
The auction company estimates the value of Billy Creek is between $800,000 and $1.5 million. It's being offered in a silent auction until September 20th. If it's not sold by then, it will be auctioned publicly October 20th.